Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a bunny bait, a little sweet treat for the kids, using M&M's milk chocolate, the pastel ones, these bunny marshmallows, oatmeal squares that are by Quaker that are brown sugar, some pretzels, and that Ghirardelli white chocolate bar. You can use any bar you want. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever is your fancy. I used white chocolate just because I wanted it to be really light colored, for Easter. So I got this saucepan, filled it almost with water, not to the tip top because you're going to put a bowl in it and you don't want the water to overfill. So also you can actually put it in the microwave. It'd probably be a lot quicker, but it only took a couple minutes for it to heat up anyways, so it was totally fine. But I break the squares up just to kind of help them move along a little quicker. And while that was getting ooey gooey, I just got a really big bowl and started adding all the good stuff. So we'll start off with the oatmeal squares. You can add as much as you want. There's no measurements involved. I will just give this little tip. The pretzels, I wish I would have doubled up on the pretzels, only because every component in this little bunny mix is really sweet and it could have used extra salt. So I wish I would have done double the pretzels, but it was still really good. So I added the marshmallows and the M&Ms, and just remember as much or as little as you like. And just give it a little stir. Now you can leave it like this where everything is, you don't have to add any white chocolate or anything like that, but I wanted to go ahead and just add the white chocolate. So right here, I decided I was going to put the bunny mix on this cookie sheet, and I would get the white chocolate and go ahead and just start drizzling the white chocolate over. I did run into a problem. The only problem is the stuff on the bottom wasn't getting coated. So here in a second, you're going to see me go in and basically put everything back into that large mixing bowl and then go ahead and give it a nice stir. And I should have done that in the first place, but I go ahead and do that in just a second. Sorry, my hand's in the way. I thought everything was looking good, but you guys can pretty much see what I'm doing. So I give that a nice little stir. And then I will be putting it back on the cookie sheet. No need for like refrigeration or like the freezer or anything. It'll just harden up on its own. And after it's hardened, I'm going to show you after the way it looks after about an hour. It still is pretty hardened. You could set for another hour or so, but it's still really yummy and it's just such a perfect treat for the kids and the adults. All right, guys, and that will do it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.